In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a read-only share link in Webflow. If you need to let someone view a Webflow project without giving them editing access, the read-only share link is a simple and useful option. It allows others to open the project and review it safely, which is especially helpful when you are sharing work with teammates, clients, or collaborators who only need to look around and leave feedback. To get started, log into your Webflow dashboard. Once you are signed in, you will see your list of projects. From here, select the project you want to share. Make sure you open the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites, since the share settings are handled separately for each project. After you've found the right project in your dashboard, look for the three-dot menu associated with it. This menu contains additional options for managing the project. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu. In that drop-down, choose the Share option. This will open a modal window with sharing settings for the project. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the right place, because this is where Webflow lets you control whether a read-only link can be created and shared. Inside the modal, find the setting labeled Can Share Read-Only Link. Toggle this setting on. Turning it on enables Webflow to generate a special link that gives view-only access. This means the person receiving the link can inspect the project, but they won't be able to make changes, which helps protect your work while still making collaboration easier. Once the setting is switched on, click Copy Link. This will copy the read-only share link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as in an email, chat, or project message. If you are sending it to someone, it's a good idea to mention that the link is view-only, so they understand what kind of access they will have when they open it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.